Alright, what's going on, guys? I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I've just got caught up in some work on the car. I've had a few problems. Blew up the transmission like 2 weeks ago, so I had to get all that fixed. But the car's been pretty solid as is right now, so I'm going to give you guys a little rundown on it. So some of you might be able to tell I finally got this thing painted. It's a 2003 Nissan color. It's called Galaxy Black Effect. It's got like a blue and purple sparkle in it. Got new headlights on there. Got rid of the huge front mount for a smaller 2.5 inch intercooler. Let me pop the hood real quick. Like I said earlier, I blew up the tranny in this thing after I got it tuned, trying to launch it. So I got a GSR transmission in there coming from my B16A tranny. So I had to tweak a few things in the Honda to get that work. Also got a Mac 4-port boost solenoid. So we got the boost by gear running on this thing now. What else? Full exhaust. Got rid of the hood dump. That was all the way back here. Kind of short, but gets the job done. Fabbed up a different wastegate dump. It comes down and dumps. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it dumps like right up in there. So what else? We got brand new intercooler kit. Got rid of the 3-inch kit for a 2.5-inch kit to help this big old GT35 spool up a little bit more. We got a HCAS blow-off valve. That thing sounds great. Kind of moved the radiator over a bit because it was rubbing on the downpipe. So I welded some brackets up down there to make that work. Solid motor mounts. I got solid torque mounts on the car too because I was having problems with the motor flexing. It was kind of coming up and dinging the hood, the top of the wastegate, so we got that all sorted out. Pretty much it for the outside of the car. We can move on inside. So the inside, some of you might know, these are EP3 seats. I had to weld up some brackets for these to get them to fit in here. Got an NRG steering wheel. It's like an Alcantara material. Redid the headliner, so that's like a black suede. K-tune shifter. I'm not sure if I've showed this before, but I've had this thing in the car for a while now. We got our Honda down there still on the floor. Got to mount that somehow, but not too worried about that now. Same old gauges in here. I took the wing off also, so kind of like how that looks. But still don't have the back wheels on. The road is in the front with the 225 50 15 R888s. I was about to order a pair of tires for the back, but then I blew up the transmission, so that kind of held me back from doing that. 1000cc injectors, AEM fuel rail, Honda 4-bar, K-tuned air intake temperature sensor. Yeah, I mean, that's all I can think of off the top of my head.